GaN Systems' 1.2 kilowatt Bridgeless Totem Pole PFC Eval kit is a GaN-based fanless design that achieves 80+ titanium standards for data centers and computing applications and can be used as a front-end AC to DC converter in applications such as industrial power supplies. The Eval kit uses GaN Systems' G66508B 650V eHEMTs that enable size and cost reductions while delivering higher current and performance than other GaN devices. It also features the Cilantro SA4041 32-bit 50 MHz digital power processor, which provides advanced control functions to maximize efficiency. The design is self-powered, operating from a universal input, and can output up to 1.2 kilowatts continuously with greater than 99% full load efficiency. Power can also be easily scaled to higher levels, and the 3% THD can be further optimized in final products.